welcome back to Tech Logics. If you've been following our series, you know we're diving deep into the world of Hikvision 4G PT network cameras. In our last video, we covered the initial setup, memory card configuration, storage scheduling, and installation process. If you missed it, check it out for a comprehensive guide. Today, in the third installment of our series, we're focusing on a key aspect of getting the most out of your Hikvision camera, adding it to the iVMS-4200 client software on your PC. This feature allows you to view live footage and playback recordings within your local network, without the need for an internet connection. Before we start, please ensure your camera is powered on. Both your PC or laptop and the camera should be connected to the same router or modem. Also, make sure the camera has been activated. If not, refer to our previous videos for step-by-step instructions. To add your camera to the software, first download and install the iVMS-4200 client software from the Hikvision website. In this demo, we've already installed the software, so we'll proceed directly to adding the camera. If you need a step-by-step guide for downloading and installing iVMS-4200, check the link provided in the video description for detailed instructions. To add the camera, open the iVMS-4200 software and go to the control panel, then navigate to Device Management. Under the Hikvision device type, you'll see an Online Device option. Click on this to display a list of Hikvision devices connected to the same LAN network. The listed devices will be your available cameras ready to be added. Select the camera device listed in the table and click the Add to Client button. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to enter a nickname for the camera. You can choose a preferred name, as well as the username and password. The default username is typically admin, and the password is the one you set during camera activation, for example via the SADP tool. After entering the details, click Add to complete the process. Once the camera is successfully added, it will appear in the Device Management table above, displaying its IP address, network status, and other details. The status will show as online or be indicated with a green icon, confirming it is connected properly. You can now view the live footage on the main view, allowing you to monitor the camera feed in real time. In the main view panel on the left-hand side, you'll find the folder named after the alias you created, containing your cameras. Simply drag or double-click the camera icon from this folder into the right window to start viewing the live feed. Additionally, you can access other features such as PTZ control and various playback options to enhance your monitoring experience. To quickly review footage, right-click on the live view screen and select Switch to Instant Playback. This feature allows you to instantly access recent previous footage without navigating through menus, making it easier to review important moments swiftly. To view recorded footage, go to the control panel and select Remote Playback. Choose the desired date and time period, then click Search. The recorded videos will appear based on your selection. You can adjust the timeline to navigate through different periods of footage and view the recordings as needed. If you found this video useful, we would greatly appreciate your support. Your feedback and contributions help us create more informative content and enable us to continue providing valuable resources. Whether by liking the video, sharing it with others, or subscribing to our channel, every bit of support makes a difference and encourages us to keep creating helpful tutorials. Thank you for being part of our community. Stay tuned for more.